这也太反光了。
我讲里面光线不行。只要不摆那边，摆到这边来，啊。
Okay, and now we will use a sheet to make a test, and the material we use is 你讲后面啊？
一个厚的，先是板宽。
The length of the sheet we use is 100是吧？100mm. And the thickness we use is 1 millimeter. Now we use the standard punch. 等一下。
结果。
And now the sheet is 1 millimeter, so we use the.
这个是1号模，那时候见到2号模。
So we use this 这个对吧？ This opening for 1 millimeter. And this opening is for 1.5 millimeter.
到时候给它上模，可以给它全部设好。这个。
Now the standard punch is for the number 1 punch, and you have other punch. We will also program in this mode storage and named it number 2 or number 3, so we can choose the punch is a